Well, Calhoun County is working to recover nearly $2 million in unpaid court fines as well as some fees.
And now the clerk of court says a new system is in place to bring in that money. News 19 Shannon Taylor has much more on the effort to collect and what it means for folks who still owe.
Calhoun County is owed just about $1.8 million in unpaid court fines and fees, money the clerk of court says has gone uncollected for years. Now the clerk of court, Bob Brinkington, says a new system launched in March is starting to change that, bringing in nearly $19,000 in just over a month.
A lot of folks just made a mistake in their life and they're wanting to do right and they're wanting to pay this off. And I'm finding they're just good folks are just wanting to pay it off and make it right. And then there are other people on the other end of the spectrum that they don't care and they're never going to pay the money. That's why I have the 15% goal.
Brockington claims fees and fines are mostly tied to probation and parole, meaning those with outstanding balances must pay before they can fully move forward.
A lot of the fees that we impose are for public defenders, believe it or not. Public defender is $500. If a public defender stands up for you or speaks to you, you pay a fee of $40 cash up front to get a public defender. If you don't have $40, then the court can say it's waived and you can pay it in the rears. Drug testing, DUIs, where that blood sample or that breathalyzer test is taken, those fees and fines are attached to that, and that goes towards that.
The clerk of court says if fines and fees aren't paid, they remain on a person's record indefinitely and could eventually be collected through other means, including tax-related actions. In Calhoun County, Shannon Taylor with News 19, WLTX.
And the goal is to collect at least 15 to 20% of the total owed.
They also add that those who do not pay could face long-term consequences.
Also looking ahead to tomorrow.